I have recently asked suggestions on React topic which can be taught in easy and simple way. And for this, I have got few comments, and from all this comment, I have concluded most of the students are not aware or they are not able to understand the concept of Redux Toolkit. So in this complete series, we are going to master Redux Toolkit. But before starting with Redux Toolkit or before even understanding what Redux is, we should understand what is useReducer hook. And this is one of the most important hook in React to manage state. But now, maybe most of you will not agree and they will tell me, why should we get started with useReducer? Directly start with Redux Toolkit and we do not want to learn useReducer hook. But let me tell you, I have kept everyone in mind. Let it be you're a beginner, or even if you're intermediate level, or even if you're expert, then this course will help each and everyone if you're beginner and if you want to get started with Redux, because Redux is one of the important tool for every React developer. Inside job description, we always have Redux, we always have React, we have Redux Toolkit. So Redux plays vital role when it comes to React. Redux is very important whenever you are applying for React developer, and it is widely used in all the companies. And if you're intermediate level and if you have already started with Redux, but still, if you're not able to understand the logic behind, or if you're not able to understand what is the concept of Redux, why should we use Redux, then this course is for you. Or even if you're expert and after some years you want to revise the concept, then this course will also help you in that situation. And also, I have got one suggestion to teach each and every concept. So before learning Redux or Redux Toolkit, it is very important to understand useReducer. And let me tell you, this is my approach of learning Redux. If you are not interested, you can easily skip. But at one point, if you want to master and if you want to remember Redux or Redux Toolkit for a very long time, then you have to master this, because you will be finding similar pattern in useReducer as well as inside Redux. And it is very friendly for beginners, because in this course, step by step, I will be showing you each and everything related to useReducer. Then we are going to jump to Redux, and then finally we are going to start with modern Redux toolkit. Not only this, we are going to work with multiple projects so that you will have lot of practice and also you will be ready for your job. And finally, learning in this way will also have lots of advantages. So useReducer is nothing but it is a part of React itself. So for using useReducer, you don't have to install any package, you don't have to use any library, because this is present inside the React, which will make this concept simple and also more accessible for beginners or intermediate developers. And also, once you understand useReducer, you will have solid understanding of state management concepts, such as you can easily do state initialization. And once you start with Redux, you can easily recognize what initialization or what are the values I have to initialize to my state. Then we can perform state transitions based on different actions, and also we can handle complex state logic. But directly if you start with Redux, one point you will mess up with your code and you will not understand how to handle this kind of complex state logic. So I would always suggest, and this is the way even I have learned Redux, before starting with Redux, understand or master useReducer, because you will be finding almost similar pattern in Redux and useReducer. And if you start with useReducer, you can easily handle local component state, and also you will be able to deal with complex state management, and you can create simple and complex application using this useReducer. But if you directly start with Redux in smaller application, you will introduce with unnecessary complexity, because in smaller application, usually we don't need global state management. But in that situation also, if you start using Redux, then you are just going to increase the work and you will just end up with unnecessary bugs. But useReducer keeps the thing simple, and also we will be more focused to understand the pattern, to understand the structure. Once we are comfortable, then directly we are jump to Redux. And in this complete course, we are going to work on multiple projects, and to understand this useReducer, we are going to work on 9 projects, which will help you to master useReducer and understand each and every concept of useReducer. Access this playlist, and I welcome you all in starting your Redux journey.